So how fast can you multiply 51 with 32? I'm giving you 5 seconds. So your time starts now. The correct answer is 1632. Okay. So now let's quickly see the usual way of doing it. The usual way of multiplying any two-digit number with any other two-digit number is this. So 2 1 times is 2, 2 5 times is 10. Now 3 1 times is 3 and 3 5 times is 15. Now add all the numbers in the column. So it would be 2 3 6 1. This is what your answer, 1632. Alright. So now let me show you the faster way of multiplying any two-digit number with any other two-digit number. So watch me. This is what my answer is, 1632. So have you understood how I have done this? Okay, let me explain it to you in more detail. All I have done here is to multiply the first digit of this number from the left, of course, that is the most significant digit, with the first digit of this number, isn't it? So 5 3 times is 15 and I have written 15 here. Alright, then I multiplied the first digit again with the other digit of this number this time. Okay, so 5 2 times is 10, but before I put down 10 here, I added to it the product of this digit and this digit, that is the first digit of the second number and the second digit of the first number. So 3 1 times is 3 and 10 plus 3 is 13, isn't it? So I put 13 here. Now for the last digit, all I need to do is multiply the last digits of these two numbers. So 1 times 2 is 2, so I put down 2 here. As simple as that. 15 plus 1 is 16 and 3 2. That is what my answer is. Like, some things are easier said than done. This is one thing which is easier done than said. Okay, because all you need to do is remember this pattern, isn't it, this arrow pattern, and everything else will take care of itself. Okay, that is, multiply the first digit of this number with the first digit of this number and write the product here. Okay, then multiply the first digit of this number again with the other digit of this number this time. But before you put down that, multiply this digit and this digit. So 5 2 times is 10 and 3 1 times is 3 and 10 plus 3 is 13. And in the end, just multiply the last digits of both the numbers to get the last digit of your answer. 1 times 2 is 2. So I put down 2 here. So the answer is 1632. Now let us practice more examples, and you will see with every example you practice, you are able to remember this pattern of multiplication much better. So there you go. 8 2 times is 16. So I'll put 16 here. 8 3 times is 24 and 2 1 times is 2. 24 plus 2 is 26 and 1 3 times is 3. So the answer is 16 plus 2 is 1863. Alright. Next one. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 4 is 8. So 8 plus 2 is 10. And 4 times 1 is 4. So the answer is 504. Now next one. 9 times 3 is 27. Now 9 times 4 is 36 and 3 times 2 is 6. 36 plus 6 is 42 and 2 times 4 is 8. So the answer is 27 plus 4 is 3128. Are you getting it? So you see, every time the same pattern is repeated. All you need to do is remember this pattern. So take it like that a war is going on between this number and this number. So the first digit of this number fires a missile on the first digit of this number. Okay, but this number is a very peace loving kind, so he does not say anything. So this number again gains in confidence, and this digit once again fires another missile on the other number as well. But now enough is enough. So this digit fires an underground, or you can say underwater torpedo at this digit, isn't it? And then this digit also fires a missile at this digit as well. So this is the pattern of multiplying the digits. That is, multiply the first digit of this number with the first digit of this number and write the product here. So 2 times 2 is 4. Okay. Now you multiply this digit again with the other digit of this number. So 2 1 times is 2, but before you put down 2 here, you have to add to it the product of this digit and this digit. So 4 2 times is 8, and 8 plus 2 is 10. So carry forward 1 here, write 0 here. Now to get the last digit, all you need to do is multiply the last digits of both the numbers. 4 1 times is 4. So your answer is 504. And once again, the advantage of using this method is that you are getting the answers from left to right, the most significant digit first. Well, you see, these arrow patterns and all these markings are just for memory aid, okay, in the beginning as you are learning this trick. But once you practice, you don't need to put all that. You'll just straight away put down the answer. Alright. So let's practice that. Let's see how nicely you have been able to follow this pattern of multiplication. So multiplying the first digit of this number with the first digit of this number, 5 2 times is 10. Okay. Now multiply the first digit again with the second digit, the other digit of this number. So 5 6 times is 30, but before you put down 30, you have to add to it the product of this digit and this digit. So 2 3 times is 6, and 30 plus 6 is 36. Now for the last digit, all you need to do is multiply the last digits together. So 3 6 times is 18. So write 1 here, 8 here. 10 plus 3 is 13, and this would be 78. This is our answer. Now you try to do this one. Okay. So again, multiplying the first digit of this number with the first digit of this number, 7 4 times is 28. Now multiplying this first digit again with the second digit of this number, 7 1 times is 7, and adding to it the product of 4 and 6. 7 plus 24 is how much? 31. And the last digit, multiply the last digit, 6 1 times is 6. So 28 plus 3 is 31. 16 is your answer. Now once again, 6 3 times is 18, and 6 1 times is 6, plus 3 2 times, that is 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12, and 2 1 times is 2. So I put 2 here. 18 plus 1 is 19. 22 is your answer.